So as you can see, I am preparing the garden for planting because it's the spring season. What also happens during this season is a Sigrblot, the victory bloat for the summer raids or for success this year in whatever you do. So this vlog is about our Sigrblot and our Ostara quest. Enjoy.
That's our brother.
Go get him. Which brother?
Anthony.
Oh, he's got the board.
The one with no name yet. He knows you, doesn't
I got
he?
breakfast for tomorrow too.
Nice.
I love peach ring. Root beer floats. This is my favorite thing about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on New Year's afternoon.
This is why you're not supposed to play with sharp, pointy things, Edgel.
It's not pointy at all. It's pointy. Pointy.
Hi, brother.
Hi.
Anthony, you need a bigger stick?
I do need a bigger stick. I'm chopping these down slowly.
Mom, we need a
Okay, for like sandwiches? Okay.
Really like that one, but the hot food was really sweet. Nowadays, I have not had tobacco.
They're so pretty, guys.
I know.
Back up, yellow nose.
Nice.
Everyone here swears an oath of frith and kinship above all else. So help us, Frey, Njord, and the almighty Ass. So be it.
So be it. I swear. Yeah.
So far where we're at is 2 translations. What do we think of them so far?
I mean, they're very similar. I mean, that's saying all doorways before one goes forth should be looked over.
It's a whole different conversation when I'm saying, hey, before you go through the door,
Watch for
pay attention and
Yeah.
look for things. Hail to my host, the person who's feeding me tonight. Like, it's just a different conversation, you know?
Right.
So that's stanza 2, it goes there.
I love it.
Yeah, let them hit the floor, we'll go all the way around, and then we'll pick them up off the ground, we'll stick them in the top of the fence. There's a machete right here, and then
he went camping.
I'm not sure where the other machete is, so you guys have to find that. Welcome, Odin. This blood has ended.
Who's going to be the victor?
Me.
Got 2 fingers and an axe.
You got 2 fingers and an axe?
Only have 2 fingers because the axe.
Welcome, kinsmen, to the 2022 Ostara quest. Many, many, many moons ago, in the Northlands, our gods got very, very, very mad. They got mad because they were in the middle of Ostara month, and it was still winter. So Thor set out to do something about it, and your quest is based on his journey, so pay attention. That's what I'm talking about!
Question here, we're gonna get our quest all over everywhere.
Thor, Odinson, Redbeard, friend of man, and certainly friend of this kindred. As we ran through your quest today, we understood a lot of the trials that you've gone through, a lot of the pains, and we got to learn a little bit more about what makes you tick. We ask that you bless this feast, laid out before us, that you enjoy this good food with us, that you infuse it with strength, vitality, and wisdom to aid us on our path of life, and that you enjoy this good food with us. Hail Thor.
Hail Thor.
Gratitude. I am super grateful to have this. We started this kindred only 2 years ago, and it was just me and Scoble sitting in the backyard, and we're like, you know what? We're sick of not having kin close. We should start a kindred. And look what we have now. Look what we've grown into. Amazing, and we love it.
Hail!
Hail!
I am also grateful. You were on, yeah. Okay, so
That'd be too long. It's really hot.
oh yeah.
Can't use that.
We'll do it again.
Take a bow, yeah.
There you go.
Take a bow.
Okay, are we doing this?
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, rules of Sumble. Sumble is a ritual meant to bring people together. Therefore, we don't say anything negative about anybody's god or goddess who's present. And I've sat in Sumbles and they've raised the horn to Jesus and Mother Mary and everything. That's not the purpose of this. We do not invoke Loki or Hela because Loki is the enemy of Heimdall, and Heimdall's our patron, and we just don't do that. Other than that, everything is open to whatever. We don't make fun of anybody that is present because we never know how somebody really takes it. You know, it could be, we joke around all the time, but I never really know deep down how he feels about that. And then to be on the spot like this and to joke, you really know how they're going to internalize it. So we just don't do it. We don't insult people that's right here. But people that aren't sitting in this room are fair game. Tear them up. We don't really care. First round goes to Odin, or the first toast goes to Odin to open a ritual. It's his ritual. And then the first round is to the god or goddess of your choice. The second round is to our fallen family, friends, pets. It doesn't really matter. And the third and final round is open to anything. A boast, a toast, a song and dance, anything you want to do. How are we ready to Sumble? Any questions? Let's do this. Harry all Father, all Father Odin. Harry all Father, all Father Odin. Harry all Father, all Father Odin. Odin, all Father. Winner of the sacred mead, patron of this ritual. We ask that you join us, that you share in this mead, that you accept our offering to you, and that you share in our kinship, our love, our blessings, our laughs, and our tears. You share with us just as we share with you. Hail Odin.
Hail
Odin.
Odin.